Kimberly. I am a certified bioenergy and sound therapy practitioner and founder of Rays of Life, a wellness practice that brings beauty to your life through unique soundscape experiences. My passion is to support others on their wellness journey by offering tools that promote deep relaxation, emotional clarity, and inner peace. So whether that's through in-person sound baths or digital experiences, I deeply believe in the power of sound to awaken healing and transformation. Over the past several months, I have been using the Solu New Origin Waveform, or N.O.W, tone therapy system, and I have personally found it to be a beautiful way to feel more focused, peaceful, and grounded, even on the busiest of days. I've also been using their ToneStream, Solu's live streaming app, and it's been extraordinary in helping me concentrate while working on projects at my computer. Because of the powerful results I've experienced, I created the Solu video series to help you discover how this technology works, why it's different, and how you can integrate it into your own life. So if you're looking for natural support for stress and anxiety, more focus, or assistance with meditation, or you simply want to feel more centered, I invite you to watch the full series. And when you're ready to purchase your own tone therapy system, be sure to use my affiliate link and enter the code RAYS10 at checkout to receive a 10% discount. And don't forget to also view my free companion resource guide for extra tips, research, and inspiration. You'll find everything in the description box below. Now let's dive in. The complete playlist is linked right here. Many blessings.